Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming it's safe. Check warning lights and listen for announcements. If alarms are active, wait for instructions. Next, move directly to the clearly labeled emergency door release. It's usually a red lever, panel, or break glass station near the door frame. You need only the first action now: expose the mechanism. If covered, remove a protective cover or flip a guard. This prevents accidental activation and readies you to operate the release quickly and deliberately. Once done, position yourself to apply steady force. Grip the lever or panel with your palm and pull in the indicated direction, usually down or out, until you feel or hear a click. If it's a break glass unit, strike the mark center with the provided tool, sweep shards away, then pull the exposed lever. Make sure to hold the lever while the mechanism engages. You want to hear mechanical feedback and see the door begin to retract or unlock. This confirms the release worked. After the release engages, push or slide the door fully open using normal handles. If it unlatches but resists, use the secondary handle or support the door frame while opening. Once open, hold the door or secure it so others can evacuate. If the door remains jammed, try to reset the release only if instructions permit. Otherwise, move to the nearest alternate exit and keep people calm. If things go wrong, report the location and observed obstruction immediately to emergency staff.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.